All right, good evening, everyone, or good morning, depending on where you are in the world. I'm Martha Chamberlain with Mossy Ventures. We're very happy today to have Vita with us. I want to tell you about the first time I met Vita because I was so impressed with her. We were at an event together, which we both do. We both do go to events on a regular basis. But Vita went around the room and she introduced herself to everyone in that room, and I don't know that I've ever done that. I was just really impressed with her ability to be just warm and welcoming. So she is a London-based marketing and PR leader, entrepreneur, and creator economy advocate. She has a background spanning marketing, communications, data science, technology. She's originally from Ukraine, and she's built her digital presence here in the UK, and she has more than 600,000 followers. She works in the intersection of AI, creatives, and marketers. She's the founder of G Creators, an AI native platform for creators, and is also associated with Star Created, a marketing agency. Vita is a frequent speaker at AI and marketing events in London, where she shares practical applications of AI for content creation, creator businesses, and brand growth. Thank you very much for being with us, taking time out of your busy schedule, Vita, and go ahead and get started.
Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for warm welcome, Marta. And it was pleasure to meet you and know more about what you do. It's really impressive. So I will be try to be helpful for everyone in content creation with AI. And I am so excited that everybody here want to create content. And I will try to help achieve these goals and to do it faster. And so let me tell a little bit about myself and how I start to create content. So I first my first my content was as I was a model in Ukraine. It's 16 years old, and I was the face of the pharmacy brand that produce pillow for cough, and I did a lot of photo shoots for this company. And the most interesting part was where they use this for why and where they use this picture that they do with me. So how and I start to learn in marketing and how to create mock-up with the picture. And now I have more than 10 years experience in marketing and PR. And I work in largest Ukraine TV channel as a marketing and PR manager for 5 years. And then I switched to IT and work with Oracle and IBM companies. It's IT integrator. And then with Intel, Lenovo, Seagate companies and help to build marketing presence in Ukraine market. And then I just built my own marketing agency. And past 7 years in Ukraine, I work with a team of 7 people that work on me, and we work only with USA market, and we promote only USA companies. It was near 100 companies that we promoted, and one of our customer was Mike Tyson. So we work with his personal social media, and we work with Facebook and Instagram and YouTube of Mike Tyson, and also Mark Stanford is also famous sportsman in USA. And I'm very proud that we few years managed their social media. And after the war in Ukraine, I moved to the UK, and I also now have small marketing agency, and 2 people work on me now, and we work for companies. And also I work as influencer in the UK. Before the war, I work as influencer in Ukraine, and my audience was 200,000 followers. And I had a personal manager that did all collaboration with brands for me. And after the war, I grow my audience to 700,000. and half of my audience UK based, and now I'm British influencer, and I work with global brands here in the UK. I will tell a little more about my collaboration later. It's just a little bit about my background. In the screenshot, you can see QR codes. My main platform now, Instagram, with more than now 700,000 followers, and the QR code of my LinkedIn, where I have 16,000 followers, and I grow my LinkedIn also 4 years ago, start to grow. It's really huge opportunities with LinkedIn. It's very, very good work in the UK market. So like I also have collaboration using LinkedIn. Mostly my collaboration focus on Instagram, of course, but also I started to have collaboration with LinkedIn, but mostly all brands reach me through LinkedIn and want to do collaboration on Instagram. So it's pretty cool to have this both platform, but the content need to be different for this two social media. So for Instagram, it's more visual, like photos and video and little bit text, and for LinkedIn it's mostly text and a few pictures, but with knowledge of using Instagram and create content, I also use this for content creation on LinkedIn. And I now want to do more video content on TikTok and YouTube and do podcast. I want to grow in this field, but only it's about the plans. So why it's so with AI, it's start to be more faster, more like more easy to create content because before the AI, it need to be like to find the location, to find photographer, videographer, a stylist, editor to create content. But you can check my Instagram that I did like amazing content in real life, but it's take me one day to create one beautiful picture for Instagram. Now I can do everything with AI. Like I still highly recommend to do combination of AI and real content. So you will show your real personality to combination with AI, because AI it's only tools that help you, but it cannot replace you. So I highly recommend to combine your personality, your own style that you will show with AI as well. So next slide. And now I will tell you a little bit about my collaboration. I'm now work with Meta, Adobe, Flippik, Formula One, Hilton, Prada, Mindguard, Pixie Photo, Eclipse Live, and now 11 Labs, HeyGen, and much more companies. And I'm so lucky to to do it using my knowledge in content creation. I also work with my marketing agency, and I will share how to also not to do only for your personal brand, but also for your company content creation, because it's a little bit different. But I think if you will combine your content creation as a founder on your social media, and also will run your social media for your company, it will be amazing. So I highly recommend to show your face as a founder of your company through your personal brand, and also separate page of your company. It's how I do it with my GCreators AI operational system for creators. So on this page, you can see my collaboration that I run with different companies. So you can see photo that Nora is just introduced her amazing company, and I'm so lucky to do did some masterclass with Nora. You can see on picture here Nora as well. And now I do companies with cosmetical brands, and I talk about how to create content on with Anthropic. And I also visited Davos as content creator, and also learned about innovation. And I try to also use any opportunities to visit events to create content on these events, and also to get partnership with and know more about innovation in AI space. But all actually now with new technology revolution that AI show to us, it start from prompt. And actually, I have data science education, and I learned that how to work with Python, how to code. But I surprise that I don't need any skills to using my data science and coding skills to create content and even build a website with Lovable or different tools to create already amazing things. And so I will I will teach you now how to use prompts to do some amazing content. And it's these pictures I create for Adobe Creative Relief London introduction mockup, and also that I visit the World Economic Forum in Davos using only ChatGPT. And but it's a lot of tools, but the ChatGPT second model, I obsessed about this tool, and I create mostly my mockups on ChatGPT model 2, but only with knowledge of prompt engineering. And this mockup of Davos was very successful because I posted in the group of people who attend Davos Economic Forum, and they take my prompt and example of my image, and I got more than 20 the same mockups from different people that using my mockup to create the same for their social media. So if you create some good mockup, people will follow you and create the same. And I think, but it's cool to to have some also taste and understand how and vision how to create content. So how to create this perfect prompt? So you example of my prompt for Davos mockup, just very simple. You don't need. I saw that people use a lot of 100 words for prompt engineering, but I just write a few 3-4 sentences, and I think I try to do long prompts, short prompts, but short prompts is enough. So example, create a LinkedIn post image with my photo in snowy Davos, add text about attending World Economic Forum 2026, ultra realistic, soft natural light, high-end corporate style, sharp focus. And this was enough to create that amazing mockup that was replaced by 20 people. And I also add photo of myself. I have very good quality picture that I use for creation content with my face. So you need to have this this amazing picture with very good light of your face. And you can download it. I actually use also Freepik. It's now Magnifique. It's like a combinator of different tools, or aggregator also. Photo. It's also have aggregate some amazing latest models that you can use. So you can go to aggregator like Photo of Lipik and create content like in this tool with like ChatGPT Model 2 that I recommend, or Gemini, Nana Banana, or any other tools. I highly recommend to try different models that will be like most better for you. Because it's actually they are like competitors and they try to do the best model every day. And so today it can be ChatGPT, next day it can be Nana Banana. So I always try to be in the loop of the perfect model that I work today. And also, so you add description. Also, don't forget to add the style of image that you want to produce. I add like sharp focus, high resolution, color tones. Also, if I want to do some style, so can add some camera. If I want to add vintage camera, so I try to find model of this camera, and I add some like. Also, it's very like a new trend to add different angle of picture that you want to have. It's like new trend that you add like crazy angle of your picture, and so you can add it also. And I also create mood board. It's a reference that you can use Midjourney or Pinterest to do that. In Midjourney, it's explore page. You can find different the best like practice of AI content that produced from different people, and you can grab like examples of something that you want to have like your style. And also Pinterest is also amazing like place where you can find different pictures for your inspiration, and create mood board. So it's like a explore page of Midjourney look like, and you see that it's like different style. You can white and black picture. It's also some beautiful modern or like pink style. So just go to explore page of Midjourney, and you can find the style picture of styles that you want to have, or just inspire for that, because it's like best practice. Actually, I think Midjourney was the first AI tool that I use. It's even before ChatGPT. So first happened on the market was Midjourney. And I was so excited to use this tool when I created when I can create with all my imagination all this like beautiful photo shoots with my face that I did in Ukraine. So I started to do here. And I can like just be in different places with like Midjourney, like using different prompts, and it was not easy because I need to like to add before some external tools to like use my face. But now you can just put your face inside the model, and it's already will add your face in your image. But before I need to connect like different programs to use my face to in Midjourney. So I try to be a little faster because sorry for that. I already yes got to my memories. So cinematic videos, it's a second part of the content creation. Now, not only images, but also video, and you can use different tools like Veo, Runway, Links, Dance, Sora to create content, video content for your social media. And my favorite now is Clean Hands Dance that I use for create video for myself. So you can try these tools using aggregator like Photo or Flippik, and try different models in one place. You can like pay for one subscription and use all models, because if you go to Kling or Sedence, you will pay for this only platform, and I have only one model. So I use aggregator and highly recommend to use that, because actually also you need a few chance to generate your video through your prompts. I never got one perfect video from first prompt, so like even like 10 time can be not enough for me. So it's need to have some patience and also some tokens to do some good video. Also, I create if before I create video, it was not very easy for me. Like with my face token video, it's very good perform on social media when you speak straight to the camera. And also, I have a strong accent, as you see, with tools like HeyGen. You can use like your AI avatar to do video with your talking heads. And now tomorrow I will host event with HeyGen and Gamma in London. And like if you have a time, you can come and see this tool from the team and like talk with them. If you interested, I can send you also link to this event. And I'm brand ambassador actually of this tool, so I think this is pretty good. And I also use 11 Labs to create voice with no accent, so I can talk in any language. And also I can add my own voice with my accent, and also I can do it without accent and in any languages. Also, you can see that you can use another tools like Synthesia and Grok. Synthesia is a competitor of HeyGen, and I think it's also like interesting to discover, because sometimes they like present some new amazing features, and I also discover everything what's happening in the market. And actually, for create fast token hand from my mockups that I create with ChatGPT Model 2, I use Grok. It's model from Elon Musk. So I just put a mockup that I created. I will show you on different here. I think no, I don't have this example, but I just put like video like that I create in ChatGPT, my face and a text, and I put it straight to Grok, and then this Grok animated even without prompts this mockup. So like it's really impressive for social media to talk about that you will be a speaker on one of the event, or you just do announce of the some event. As a useful tool, I talk about 11 Labs a little bit. It's tools that help to do voice for your social media. Adobe Firefly, it's a new tool from Adobe. So it's all in one platform, where as aggregator, as Flippik and Photo and Clipfly. And you can try this aggregator and find the best aggregator for you, where you can find all different models in one place. And even if you did all this job, you want to do it even faster. It's already fast with social media, but you can do it faster now with a cloud. And how I can how I did it. So cloud, you can set up the cloud project first of all. Then you can add your in this project information about you, your niche, what you create, and content goals. Then you can add examples of your content to the project in Claude. So past post, it could be scripts, articles, and your tone of voice, or maybe you have guidelines of like how you see. Oh, sorry. Of how you see your content, and also you can add competitor content, reference of materials of style of your competitors that you like, and also you can add personas profile like target audience. And if the most quality content and most like details content that you add, the most better result you get. Then let Claude write its own instructions. So you also you don't misplace this step because it's really useful. So you then write, study all files in my project and write yourself a working instruction for building a content factory for me. Think of yourself as an entire team of specialists, not a single contractor. And then you got like instructions from Claude, and then you put this instruction inside your project and save it. And this step is really helpful, to do better results. Then I use a 3 content creation approach to do like content factory. It can be full AI generated content. Also, that I just give Claude to do everything by himself. Just write what I want, and this Claude create content. The second approach that I recommend, I use my voice. And then I ask like to use my ideas and then to polish it, not rewrite it. And Claude give really good like script and prompt after this step. And the third one is research and remix. So like you can add like reference of your competitor and remix it. Then you can, after you can edit your content, like it's article or something like post, you can ask to multiply it to different formats, like article, Instagram, post for Facebook, Twitter, X, and then real scripts and LinkedIn posts. So, and you can get after that different formats for different social media. Don't use one post for all your social media accounts. So after that, you can do that. Also, I connect external tools in Claude. I use mostly Hammock, Canva, Figma, and scheduling tools to schedule my content direct to my social media. So I connect Gamma, Canva and Figma, like to create carousels, to create pictures for my social media. And after that, I connect scheduling tools like different that I use. I use different for my clients and also for myself. So you can look because it's a lot of external tools you can connect in Claude. So now I also hiring for my team. So if I also looking in my team blogger assistant that help me, technical partner and AI creator, I always looking for like inspiring, amazing, talented people. And if you know somebody, this position like also open in my team. And if you like my style, you can like also be part of my team if you like to do that. And also you can find me on the social media accounts, Instagram and LinkedIn. And if you want have a question, always write to me. I open to help and navigate you. And now I think it's better to do some Q&A session. It's and like maybe you have some question, or I can like continue. But I actually want to help you and hear your question and help you to navigate through creation content with AI. Please, like, don't shy to
questions.
To ask something that maybe I can help with.
How do we do this? How do we ask questions? Just ask?
Just ask.
Well,
I think
that's
because I want to be useful for you guys, and I think we can solve your real problems. And yes.
But please raise your hand. It should be, there's a heart perhaps along the bottom of your window that has a react, and you can raise your hand. And I think we've got Hannes. There you go.
Yeah, sorry. Great presentation, Vita. Thanks so much for taking the time, I guess. I wanted to ask you, so did I understand you correctly? You kind of recommend like a hybrid model. Don't fully go out on AI, either intermix real voice with AI video, but don't, like, from your experience, it's better like still keeping a human touch, intermixing it with AI instead of just boldly everything AI.
Yes, I actually, if you will create AI content, it will be marked that create by AI. Now every social media do that. So and I see better performance that you like do one post with your real picture and second one with AI, and in this way you will have more also opportunity to collaborate with brands, because you can combine like and it's really better engage because you still real person, and people, your audience, if you want to build your audiences, they like want to see somebody behind this like content. And I highly recommend to build your personal brand and like show your creativity through AI, but show your personality through your real content. It's
Okay,
how I do that, yes, and it's better perform. So like people build more trust with your audience.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Next question, I think. Nikita? No? You raise your hand.
Maybe Adriano.
Or Andriana?
Hi, thank you. Thank you, Martha. Thanks for the insightful presentation, Peter. Appreciate your time today. My question will be for the professional accounts, like a business account. We have a very boring company, and we deliver medication for hospitals and pharmacies, and it's been really difficult for us to build a community in that particular space. What's your recommendation for boring content or boring companies to build a community out there?
So even if you're like boring companies, I have a lot of like clients. So why people come to social media? They want relax, have fun. They don't want firstly, they don't come to buy something. They don't want to like they want little bit relax. So you need to understand it and create content like to try to add some humor, some some like personality behind your business. So how I always ask if the founder can show his face in his business and speak with customers direct, take some feedbacks, show employees and some behind the scene like process of work, and this like content will be more engaging, and you will sell, and so and little bit humor memes, and I saw that in TikTok even like sell some stones, do with influencers in beautiful dresses, and like it's perform very, very good. So you can think maybe also sometimes even if founder don't want to show his face, we use mascot. Mascot is like some persona that we create from movie, or that show represent company like cat or something like that. It's called
Блять, це
mascot.
неможливо.
Дмитро, ми вас чуємо. От, і...
Nikita?
Can I ask a question?
Thank you. Appreciate
Yeah.
that. Thank
Yeah,
you,
go
Vita.
Yeah.
I have a similar question in a way. I was just curious. First of all, thank you for the amazing presentation. I'm impressed by your public profile, like hundreds of thousands of followers on Instagram. That's a lot. And I was just interested, why do you think people follow you? And probably, well, you create your digital persona with a certain intent in mind. So what makes people follow you? Is this because you're an expert, like you present yourself as an expert in something, or you tell them a story, or your lifestyle is appealing, or is just fun and visually appealing? Like what's your story, and what makes people like enjoy following you?
Well, thank you so for this question, because actually I try post every day. So it's like I always like tell that try to be influencer, try to be blogger for every person that I met, because I don't afraid to be competitor with somebody, because for every influencer, every blogger will be their audience. They will find their own audience because they have their own style. But it's need to be regular, so your audience will think that you're a friend. They will see you every day, your life. They will know your family, what you do, you like everything, and they will go to your profile to see, oh, what does she do today? Where she go? Because if you will post every day, they will think that like I even come to different events and people know everything about me. I don't know actually nothing about them, but they tell me, oh, how you like project this one, how how was that event, because they saw everything. And I try to post every day on stories on Instagram, and try to post every day on LinkedIn, so like that. But if you and also it can bring you collaboration with different brands, but you need to build strategy in which niche you want to like grow. So try to like not to show everything from your life. I don't show my like family, my personal relationship, because I work with technical brands, and my focus is target audience technical brands, and so I don't show this part of my life.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Ernesto?
Yes, thank you. Could you please describe the process you use for your LinkedIn profile?
Yeah, so I try to post every day, and so how I do that? I go mostly my post from events, so that I attend some event. So I visit a page where I can find information about this event. It's mostly like Luma page with description. I take this description, I go to Claude, I have a ton of voice, and set up project about everything about me, my past post, I everything create there, like I told you, and I add this description of event there and ask to create a LinkedIn post, and already project have everything inside, all information about my background, and also I always I have stop words that that Claude cannot use, like attended and like that like you can also add words that you don't want to use. It's important, and it's very fast created by Claude in this project. And then I did pictures, and it could be AI generated picture or real picture, but I always edit everything to do quality content. So if it's real picture, I always edit it to do it perfect, or if it's AI generated, so I just put it after generation.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay,
And I
Jonas?
think the last question, yeah.
Can I ask the question?
Jonas,
Yeah.
let's let
Jonas.
Jonas and then Dmitro. Great, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Admin.
Yeah.
Thanks, Martha. Thanks, Vita, for the presentation. It's great. My question is regarding all those platforms. So obviously, Meta, they have Instagram, Facebook, Threads, and then there is X from Elon Musk, and then LinkedIn. So obviously, each platform is different. But do you post one content, like one idea, and then generate the content and share it through most of the platforms, or there's particular content that you will post only on Instagram, other that you post only on TikTok, or how do you deal with, making sure all the platforms are happy?
Yeah, so content should be different on different social media. As I mentioned, that you create one post in Claude, and then Claude, you write that please create a different version of this post for LinkedIn, Instagram, for these styles, and Claude will create different piece of text, and also images also different for different social media, different formats. So you just can write create LinkedIn post or Instagram post, and it's already know what formats they use. But you also can go and find the particular pixels that they need to put on social media, and also the kind of picture. So for Instagram, it's more like you can use more from fun, more like open, more sexy. It's good, also, and for LinkedIn, of course, you cannot post sexy photos. So it's more will be formal pictures. So some pictures and you need to understand it, and also you can add some logo. You can create one mockup of content that you want, with one logo in one corner, and you will create every photo with this logo in one corner, and it's also will be very cool because it's your unique style. And I also recommend to do something, but it's need to spend more time.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
Dmitro, did you have a question?
Yeah, I noticed there was a one prompt on your slide saying that generate image or something, but act not like a contractor, but as a team of specialists. And could you please share how did you get to that prompt? Like, is it Claude suggested it, or it's you figured it out? And if it's you, what was the thinking process behind it? How to get this kind of prompts that somehow crack it, Claude, to be more sophisticated? Thanks.
Yeah, thank you so much, Dmitro. So actually, I saw some recommendation in the internet and in different resources, and I found this one recommendation, but I did it shorter for that work for me, and I tried on my content. So this prompt when I tried, it was so good, and it's changed so much my next steps. So I use it by myself and share what worked for me. And now it's like the best version that I can find. Actually, I think for every person it could be different, and you must do it in your own style, and never try to take this prompt, the same prompt from different people, because I think it's little bit can be the same thing, but you have different personality, and you can do it customized for yourself. It's just what worked for me.
Yeah, thank you. But sorry, I maybe missed it a little bit. Yeah, like is it you came to it, or it's prompt suggested how to write it? I'm just trying to understand not how to write prompts like you, right? But yeah, but which probably if to understand if there is any like thinking process behind creating these good prompts, which creates this like hyper personalized and hyper structural results.
Yeah, so I read the different resources, and I read about this recommendation from different different resources, and I combined it and did it by myself. So I wrote it by myself, and combination of different resources that I found. It was like recommendation from different creators. But I customize it by myself and put it that work for me. So it's my own prompt.
Yeah, cool. Thanks so much.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
That's
Do
just
you
about
have any other
time, but
questions?
yeah, I think we've got time maybe for one more question. Or we could let Vita get back to her event.
Yeah, today I'm in Royal Automobile Club. It's a private club in Palm Malls. Sorry a little bit about the light. It's event with CEO of Bentley. So hope to have collaboration with Bentley and announce it soon.
Yeah.
That's
Thank
cool.
you.
Light is okay. It's okay. Yeah.
Thanks so much for taking time out of your busy schedule, and thank you for the great insights.
Vita, do you have by chance any, I don't know, any cheat sheet? I don't know, any a document with some like cool prompts that worked for you before? Because yeah.
Or even
Yeah,
an
yeah,
structure.
Yeah, I can share my prompts. I wrote instruction in how I did my prompts, but I can share my prompts that I did before and can send it. It's no problem at all. So you can try to, but I also suggest to experiment and do it in your own style. But you can try to do something from my prompts.
Yeah. I get it. Yeah. I want not to copy it. I want to see like how it could
Thank
be.
you so much, guys, and it was amazing energy from you.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, from you, and hope you will enjoy your evening. And yes, looking forward to connect with you on social media. Please write to me. I want to help you. And yes, if you need any support, let me know. And yes, or and hope to see you on one of the events in London in person.
Vita, if you want to send the prompts to me, then I can send it out to everyone.
Yeah, of course. I I will share, yes.
Absolutely.
No worries. Yeah.
Great.
Thank you for your time and see you soon.
Great.
See
So good
ya.
to see you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Good
Bye.
evening.
Bye.
Thank you, guys.
Just gonna close that.